My dear students, welcome to my multimedia classroom. My profile: I am Kamalesh Chandra Pal, Assistant Teacher, Dashani Ideal Girls High School, Bagherhat. My email: if you need KCPAL 884@gmail.com. My mobile number 01712040739. Subject: English first paper for class 9 and 10, dated 25 September 2021. Let us watch some pictures. This is Tara Masjid, Dhaka. Next, another mosque, Baitul Mukarram Mosque. Next, another picture of Al-Aqsa Mosque, Jerusalem. Next, let us watch the another mosque, Masjid Al-Nawawi, Medina. Next, Masjid Al-Haram, Makkah. Next and the last, the Kaaba. So, what is the name of this mosque? Yes, Shat Gumbaz. So, today's lesson is the World Heritage, the Shat Gumbaz Mosque, Unit 8. Next, learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will have to listen a specific information to understand the inside and outside of the mosque, to ask and answer questions, group discussions, to describe the mosque individually. Shat Gumbaz Mosque. The front side of this mosque and the four-sided dome, Sausala dome. This is Sausala dome. Next, this is down dome. Next, corner tower and dome. This is the ground and surroundings of the Shat Gumbaz Mosque. The eastern side of Shat Gumbaz Mosque. The north side, 7 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 doors. Next, the western side, 7 doors. You have to know and watch from the inside of the mosque. This is round domes from inside the mosque. And next, different designs and art of eyes. Second, arts. Third and the last, arts. From inside the mosque, Shat Gumbaz Mosque inside view photo. This is the corridor. This is called eyes. Next time, another and the main corridor of this mosque from the middle, which is connected from the main road. Mihrab. Stairs inside the corner towers. Shat Gumbaz Mosque inside view photo, the bay from inside the mosque. This is first design and shape of bay. Next, another view bay. This is, and third and the last view of bay. This is the last. Do you know what is this? What is the name of this pond? Its ancient name Ghoda Digi. Now it is Khan Jahan Ali Digi. Next, it is terracotta flower and terracotta bridge. The terracotta designs on bridge, so that it is called terracotta bridge. Terracotta bridge. Next, scene of Ullah Khan Jahan Rahmatullah alayhi. Coastal view of Sundarbans. Next, aerial view of Sundarbans. This is a view of a mangrove forest. Foliage. Now, the group leader will speak about the mosque in 2 or 3 minutes. Next important information, Shat Gumbaz, Gumbaz, Dome. Ancient name of the city, Khalifatabad. Founder Ullah Khan Jahan, Turkish. Present name Bagerhat. Time mid-15th century. Number of domes 77 plus 4 is equal to 81 domes at least. Number of pillars 60, and the roof of this mosque supported on and stands on this 60 feet. For this it is called Shat Gumbaz Mosque. Doorways 1177 is equal to 25. Mihrab 11 purposes prayer hall plus court of Khan Jahan Ali Rahmatullah alayhi. Style Mughal and Turkish. UNESCO United Nations Education Specific Scientific and Cultural Organization recognition as a World Heritage in 1985. Next, synonyms: tradition, heritage, tradition, culture, outskirts, suburbs, boundary, colony, settlement, territory, saint, holy person, warrior, fighter, soldier, infrastructure, framework, monument, memorial, estate, distinct, definite, noticeable, decoration, beautification, architecture, engineering, planning, building, reservoir, basin, pond, tank, habitable, livable, unique, rare, uncommon, interior, inner, internal, inside, exterior, outer, external, outside. Information of transfer. World Heritage in 1985. This is called Khalifatabad. Next, made Khalifatabad 360. Next, 77 domes. This is called Sundarbans. Next, answer the following question. First question, give the definition of heritage. The definition below the question. Next, what do you know about Khalifatabad? Khalifatabad was a historical music Muslims colony situated at the outskirts of now Bagherhat town. The Turkish general and Saint Ullah Khan Jahan established the city. Next, Khalifatabad was a distinct city. Why? Khalifatabad was a distinct city because it was dominated by Islamic architecture with a combination of Mughal and Turkish style. There was also a network of roads, bridges, public buildings and ponds to make the city livable. Why is the mosque unique? The mosque is unique because it has 60 pillars to support the roof with 77 low height domes. The mosque also has another 4 domes at 4 corner towers. Home task: write a paragraph on Shat Gumbaz Mosque. Thanks for all.